Merhaba everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crispy, golden delight, Turkish Patates Kızartması, or Turkish-style fries. You might think you know fries, but there's a lot more to these crispy bites when they're made in Turkey. Stick around as we uncover some unknown facts about Patates Kızartması that might just surprise you. Patates Kızartması directly translates to fried potatoes in Turkish. But don't be fooled by the simple name. There's more to this dish than meets the eye. Did you know that potatoes were introduced to Turkey only in the late 19th century? Before that, the concept of fried potatoes didn't exist in Turkish cuisine. Once introduced, they quickly became a favorite. In Turkey, specific varieties of potatoes are preferred for making patates kızartması. The agria potato, known for its low moisture and high starch content, is often used to achieve the perfect crispiness. Traditional Turkish fries are often double fried. The first fry cooks the potatoes through, while the second fry crisps up the exterior, giving them that irresistible crunch. Unlike the usual salt and pepper, Turkish Patates Kızartması is sometimes seasoned with unique spices. Like sumac, red pepper flakes, or dried mint, giving it a distinct flavor profile. In Turkey, fries are often served with a side of garlic yogurt or a yogurt-based dip, adding a tangy and refreshing contrast to the rich, crispy potatoes. Patates Kızartması is a popular street food in Turkey. You'll find vendors selling them in paper cones, often drizzled with sauces or topped with cheese. In Turkish fast food culture, Patates Kızartması is commonly paired with kumpir, the famous stuffed baked potato dish, creating a carb-heavy, satisfying meal. Interestingly, Patates Kızartması is not just a lunch or dinner snack. It's also a popular addition to the traditional Turkish breakfast, often served alongside eggs and olives. For many Turks, Patates Kızartması is a nostalgic dish, often made by mothers or grandmothers. It's a childhood favorite that's enjoyed across generations. At home, Patates Kızartması is often made thicker and with a softer interior, while restaurants might serve them thinner and crispier, catering to different preferences. Patates Kızartması is often served alongside sucuk, a spicy Turkish sausage. The combination of spicy meat and crispy fries is a popular one in Turkish homes. A unique Turkish twist on fries is to squeeze fresh lemon juice over them. This adds a zesty kick that balances out the richness of the fried potatoes. Turkish Patates Kızartması is often enjoyed with a variety of dipping sauces, including ketchup, mayonnaise, garlic yogurt, and even spicy tomato paste. While many countries use vegetable or canola oil, in Turkey, Patates Kızartması is often fried in olive oil, giving them a distinct, slightly fruity flavor. In Turkish culture, offering patates kızartması to guests is a common gesture of hospitality, symbolizing warmth and generosity. In traditional Turkish eateries called lokantas, patates kızartması is a staple side dish, often served with a variety of meat dishes. While patates kızartması is deeply rooted in tradition, it's also found its place in modern Turkish cuisine, often served with gourmet twists in upscale restaurants. Patates kızartması is a favorite among vegetarians in Turkey, as it's a hearty, flavorful dish that's naturally meat-free. During holidays and special occasions, patates kızartması is often made in large quantities to feed gatherings of family and friends. Different regions in Turkey have their own variations of patates kızartması. In some areas, they're spiced differently or served with unique local dips. Just like in many parts of the world, Turkish children love patates kızartması. It's often their go-to snack after school or during family gatherings. In Turkish taverns, known as meyhanes, patates kızartması is often served as a meze, accompanying alcoholic drinks like rakı. Patates kızartması reflects the influence of European cuisine on Turkey, particularly during the Ottoman Empire, when foreign foods started to be integrated into Turkish cooking. For many Turks, patates kızartması is the ultimate comfort food, providing warmth and satisfaction, especially during colder months. Turkish patates kızartması is gaining popularity beyond Turkey's borders, with people around the world embracing this flavorful twist on classic fries. In Turkey, street vendors often serve patates kızartması in eco-friendly paper cones or bags, aligning with growing environmental awareness. And there you have it, unknown facts about Turkish patates kızartması. Who knew fries could be so fascinating? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel.